Okay, cluck cluck everybody. We've got the babies out and we've got them in a little small run introducing them to Cluckberry. So I get asked a lot how to introduce like the newer chickens to the older chickens. I put them, y'all seen my old setup where I had basically a coop and a run that was right next to another coop and a run with a fence between it. The smaller one was where I put the babies, and it was also my infirmary coop where if one was like, if I was worried one was sick, I'd put them in quarantine over there. But the run had a fence between it so they could interact, but they couldn't get hurt if if something was to happen. So we moved them closer to the house since. But as y'all saw, I had them in the bay with the goat because the bay was completely fenced over and the birds could come in and interact with them through there. And, they didn't seem to be any problems. So we moved yesterday for two reasons. I moved Cluckberry over here because she's driving me crazy by hiding her eggs. And this way I know I know where she is constantly, so I know where her eggs are going to be. And the second reason is she's the youngest of my adult birds, so I thought she might be the best to kind of let interact without a fence because, well, I'm hoping that she remembers when she was the new bird. But she's still going to go after there is a pecking order with chickens. They're just, the older chickens are going to go after the younger chickens typically no matter what. Every now and then I have a hen come along that's just perfectly accepting. Now, some people say just put the new birds in the coop at nighttime, and when they wake up, they just think they're part of their flock. First off, I don't believe that. I've never done it, but I don't believe that because I've seen them get picked on for weeks. She might be getting ready to go pick on them. But see, she didn't hurt them. So that's good. So usually once one kind of accepts them, the others will slowly fall in line. So that's what I'm hoping here. I used to try out different birds in with the little ones. Like, y'all remember my favorite Bojangles? I tried her out. I thought she was she was always just such a chill chicken. I thought she would be really good for it. She was not really good for it. She was actually sort of a biatch. And then I put Hen Lu in with some little ones once, and she was just perfectly nice to them. And she had an attitude all the time, so I didn't think she would be. So chickens often surprise you when it comes to it. They're enjoying eating some of that green. There's a blackberry bush over there. I want to tell y'all now, if y'all eat my blackberry bush, I'm going to be upset. I've got plenty of others. So that's what we're doing today. We're also going to be letting the goat come out to pasture and get him acclimated a little bit to coming out and used to going up when we say. I think he's actually going to be pretty good at it, mainly because he's still a little bit nervous of me. I think that when I walk up to him, he'll run back to his bay. I actually had Misty in here too because, well, she's been hiding her eggs also. So like I said, I was doing this for more than one reason. But yeah, she's part bantam. She just flew right out like it was nothing. Because she's a bantam, she's lighter weight, she's flightier. Cluckberry, on the other hand, she got a little bit more junk in the trunk. She can't really. She doesn't fly as well. And these will also. Sonya might be able to. she won't become like a super fat bottom girl, but the silver laced will definitely be fat bottom girls. We'll have to get a video of all my fat bottom girls walking around to fat bottom girls, you make the rockin' world go round. I love Queen. Alright, Cluck Cluck, we'll definitely try to get some video of the goat pasturing. Hold on, let's see what kind of interaction we have. Okay, okay, see, that's progress. Alright, well, Cluck Cluck, everybody.